Hey guys, here's a Big Ass Fan I-Series haiku. This remote looks different because could have been the older remote. Thought these were the exclusive no light remotes, but they're not. Look at it. This could be the older remote. This could be the runs for the commercial models. So yeah, speed 1. Now look at my camera again because I don't want me to run out of memory. It takes a while to get up to speed, by the way. This is a 52-inch model. There's a 60-inch one in the basement, in the living room. Speed 2. That's where I was on when I came the first time. Speed 3. That's where it stays on a lot. Speed 2, 3, and 4 most of the time. That's where the masters keep it. Speed 3. Speed 4. 4 indicators on. Now the thing about the L series, you have to click the remote twice to get to respond. Speed 5. Starting to get some air from here. Speed 6. And speed 7. Is that high? Yep, tie. Clicks. The one downstairs wobbles. Because maybe I'll climb it. I can feel a lot of air from it. 16-inch one moves a lot of air. Off. I'll wait for the fan to stop. This might take a longer spin time than the L series. Sort of used to the L series. Not used to the 60-inch I series, by the way. Liam, don't. I don't know. There we go. Whoosh 3 times. Speed 1 reverse. I'm going to show it by backwards. Start with speed 4. That's how I'll usually do it now. I should have done it for the, wait for a fan to go. It's taking a while to let it remind itself. You know what this kind of reminds me of? This kind of reminds me of a Casablanca Stingray, which is another version of this. It's a version of a haiku. And it makes a good design. It kind of reminds me, but they're much curvier. They're much curvy than the haiku. Speed 3. Speed 3 reverse. And speed 2 reverse. Not a big difference between speed 4 and 3 reverse. Speed 1 reverse. I'm just showing reverse speeds quickly. Off reverse. I can't stop it by hand because I don't want to stand on that bed. Can't stop by hand. Now whoosh, the W button. By the way, here's the manual for the remote on the back. Ready? 0 to high. It does show a lot of spin downs. It's waiting for its mind. Sometimes 8 lights light up because an 8-hour timer. Because there's a timer. It's taking a while to get up to speed. That's what DC fans are meant for. To take a little while to sometimes gets confused. I'm going to put it on speed 2 for now. I'm going to leave it on speed 2. See, there are 2 lights light up? Yep, there are 2. Oh, not tank. Oh, there we go. Sometimes it's confusing with the I series. The I series is more fancy. Thanks for watching.